G'day folks, Jaden Drought here with the Farmtrader. Now picture this, commodity prices are good. You've got a little bit of extra money rattling around that you thought, you know what, we're going to upgrade a bit of plant and machinery. You've gone to the market. All of a sudden, the old machinery isn't quite as cheap as what it used to be. The $1,000 a horsepower has certainly gone out the window. Absolutely it has. The P4110 behind me from Lovol is $630 a horsepower. You heard that right folks, the $1,000 a horsepower has definitely gone out the window. Now this represents such good value at $70,000, as you see it behind me, that you could buy two of these for the price of one of the more marquee brands in the same horsepower bracket. So, is it half as good, I hear you say? Well, with things like self-leveling loader, hydraulic unlatching for your implements on the Euro hitch carrier, a 4-in-1 bucket, a 12x12 shuttle transmission, and plenty of other cool features. Let's go and check them out, and you can be the judge. Now, if we start at the start, let's go to the engine. It's the Weichai diesel. They've been building engines since 1946. This year marks the 80th anniversary, so they certainly know a thing or two about them. Now, this particular model is the 110 horsepower. It's a 4-cylinder, 4-litre, Tier 3, so single fluid, and it has a 170 litre diesel tank. If we then move to the loader itself, it's the TZ08D. Now what that means is nothing really. It has a 1000 kg capacity, right? It's a Euro hitch loader, self-leveling, twin crowd. You've got the boom suspension, and as I mentioned earlier, not only do you have the third service and the Euro hitch, you also have the 4-in-1 bucket plus hydraulic unlatching. Now that's all on the joystick, so you've essentially got third and fourth function, and it absolutely packed with features for this size machine, particularly in this price bracket. Once we move to the operator station itself, again, there's lots of creature comforts up here. Nice and easy to get in and out of for getting on and off the machine, and once you're up here you've got the comfort of your forward reverse electro-hydraulic shuttle. So that takes care of forward reverse. Then in the transmission department you've got a 12x12, so simple, high low, 6 on the stick, so 6 in high, 6 in low, and you've got this D-clutch button on the main gear lever here. Nice and easy to go through the gears, and again you've got 6 in that range without having to do a range change, so that's pretty cool. You've also got your PDO speed down here as well as your 4-wheel drive. If we go around to the right hand side, we've then, as I mentioned before, got our joystick with the third and fourth function, and on this machine you've got 2 hydraulic remotes out the back. You can get up to 3, and then you've also got your rear linkage controls. Another cool feature up here is that you've got electric hydraulic engagement. You also have auto PTO. Again, another fantastic feature on a tractor in this price bracket. Now, if we move around to the back of the machine, there's still lots to like. We've got 2400 kg rear linkage lift capacity thanks to the twin assist hydraulic rams. We've also got a heavy duty drawbar and a ladder hitch, which is fantastic on this size machine. Now, as I mentioned, you can either get 2 or 3 rear remotes on this machine. This particular one has 2, however the third one obviously just slots in there on the same splice. Either way, 64 litres per minute is the hydraulic output, and while that doesn't sound like a lot, the loader still functioned really well. Now the other thing is it has a 2-speed PDO, 540 and 1000. Now all of these features are more than capable of handling all of the farm tasks that you can throw at it. If we now look at the top reasons why you should consider the P4110 from Lovol, it starts with the loader. So, self-leveling, twin crowd, Euro hitch. We've then got the third and fourth function. That's the hydraulic latching, and complete with a 4-in-1 bucket, all controlled from the handy joystick. It also can lift over a ton and has the boom suspension for added comfort. We then move to the engine. 110 horsepower, 4-litre, 4-cylinder Weichai diesel, Tier 3, diesel only, fantastic. We then move back to the transmission, 12x12, electric shuttle and 6 on the stick. Simple, high-low and works fantastic. We then move to a couple of the real reasons why you should consider this machine. $70,000. It also comes complete with 320 kgs of wheel weights. And then there's also the additional warranty, 3 years, 2,000 hours. So that gives you peace of mind that you can get a very well-spec tractor for 70,000, literally half the price of some of the others on the market with a 3-year warranty. Check out MeTrade, that's metrade.co.nz for more information about this and the Lovol tractors that they bring into New Zealand, or head to Farmtrader for thousands of news and reviews on this machine as well as many others. You can buy and sell equipment there, or check out the autumn issue of the Farmtrader magazine. It's action-packed with lots of cool things, including the Lovol tractor, and keep an eye on the socials about what we're up to.